that. We divide it in half, if I can see that. And then we divide that half in half again, and again. And divide those halves in halves again, until we get 8 sections, which are approximately correct. First of all, the first section is a head. The second section is across the nipples. The nipples are one head apart. You might want to, if you've got some paper or something, you might like to write this down.
We have paper if anybody wants to doodle at the same time. She's
The
bringing
second, the 1, 2, 3rd head down is the navel. Okay, so we'll write this down. Nipples. And as Monty Python says, and then the exact center of the genitals. The 6th down is below the knee joint. So we'll draw these in as they are. And so then we have shoulder, the arm, the elbow comes to the level of the navel. This is approximate. The hand comes, the wrist comes to the level of the genitals. Here, you see the tiny bit here? Comes at the level of the navel. It goes down to make a bowl. And then the hips come out. Down to the knee.
If you're doing life drawings, do you do this as well?
Yes.
You do?
Yeah. Not normally. Yes, I do. I try to work out where everything is very likely, and then I continue. Because if the pose is long enough, then it's very good. But I'm going to try to teach poses that are not going to be very long. And then we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the ground. And we'll go through this a little bit more. Proportion. The head itself is an oval. It's actually a circle with the jaw on the bottom. A line directly across the center is the line of the iris. You may not believe this, but if you were to measure yourself from the bottom of your chin, the corner of your eye, and then from the corner of your eye to the top of your head, you'd find it was halfway between the top and the bottom. Okay, the nose is just a little bit less than halfway down from the eye to the bottom of the chin. And the mouth is just a little bit further up from the chin to the bottom of the nose, rather than halfway. The ears are between the eyebrows and the nose. In the hairs anywhere, means nowhere. And the figure, basically, and you can add movement to it. Or I can add movement to it so that you can see basically what it is. Now, if you try to understand this, these lines, these pieces are pretty important. It's difficult to do it from the side. Yeah, that's what we do. Now if that helps you a little bit, or it helps you to understand the human figure, understand seeing the human figure, and And also thinking you've got your own figure with you all the time. So you can feel, actually, when you draw something, you can feel whether or not you're doing the right thing, if it's in the right place. You don't particularly want to do a figure that's got legs as long as, I don't know whether I can make them so. Okay, that particular kind of drawing is called gesture drawing. And this is something that we use an awful lot. And this is a very good thing to do when you're drawing just for the fun of it, just whatever you want to do.